Yeah. So, dual consciousness theory. Have you heard about this?
Consciousness theory? I don't know. I haven't heard about it.
Well, I kind of had a little bit of an idea before I watched Alex O'Connor's video about it. And it's effectively the cases where there is patients that suffer from epilepsy
Yeah.
or some other conditions where they get an operation where they separate the two hemispheres of the brain and they sever the corpus callosum, which is the part of the brain that connects the two hemispheres and
Mm.
allows seamless communication. And there's been documented cases where these people start having some very interesting side effects after the separation of the two brain hemispheres, where they'll have their hand start moving on its own and doing stuff, or even preventing them from doing stuff, or fighting them in cases.
Right. Okay.
And they hypothesized based on that there might be a kind of less dominant second consciousness in one hemisphere than the other, which isn't in control and it's in a way more subconscious to the other one. And when the brain hemispheres get separated, that other consciousness is able to not be as silent anymore because it can control that one limb from that side and kind of do its own things. We kind of poses the question whether there is something secondary inside us
Mm.
that is silent and mute and is not able to kind of communicate, and therefore it's almost like locked in.
Yeah. No, I
And
think on some level that's obviously true. Like in terms of our shadow, if you talk about it in terms of psychological terms, is like we do seem to have a like some people think of it in terms of the Greek gods. Like
mm,
some people can sort of believe in a Christian God, but also have the idea that actually the Greek gods were perhaps a rudimentary way of explaining the different personalities inside of us. That we're not just one personality; we've got many different facets, maybe of the same personality, or maybe we are like a amalgam of many different personalities.